Hello guys, today we will be steaming a fish and a shrimp. No matter what fish you use, make sure it's as fresh as possible, but for today's recipe, I strongly recommend fresh fish and shrimps. And here's our ingredients. We have the snapper fish, shrimp, celery, scallions, sliced lemon, jalapeno pepper, onions, ginger, garlic, thyme, lemongrass, black pepper, and Himalayan salt. So what I'm doing now is I'm adding the ginger, onions, lemongrass, and thyme inside the fish. And season the fish with salt and pepper. And for the shrimps, I am using Italian sea salt with mixed paprika. And for the sauce, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili garlic sauce, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon sesame oil, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix well and set aside. Before you add the fish, place some ingredients inside the heat-proof plate. And then carefully lay the fish inside the heat-proof plate. Just make sure that the water is already boiling before you place the fish inside the steamer. Cover it and let it steam. This will take about 8 to 10 minutes over high heat. Please feel free to adjust the cooking time based on the size of your fish. Remember to set a timer as soon as you put the fish into the wok or steamer, especially when you're multitasking in the kitchen and can be easily distracted. While the fish is steaming in a small pan, saute the remaining ingredients and add the mixture and set aside. When the fish is almost ready, double check if there's any accumulated liquid. It's very important to remove it before adding the shrimps and the sauce, as you don't want it to dilute the sauce. Carefully add the sauce on top of the fish and shrimps and cover it, let it steam for another 2 minutes. It's ready, and here's my fresh whole snapper fish and shrimps, steamed to a tender texture, seasoned with a delicious dressing. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Bye!